How do you start crypto, you may ask? The magic of non-controlled money. That is crypto. There is nothing more to it. It's just decentralized money. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed as a medium of exchange that uses strong cryptography to secure financial transactions, control the process of creating additional units, and verify asset transfers. So that explains what an exchange platform can do for cryptos. It's an asset, it controls the process, gives you additional units, and verifies the transfers. Simple as that. Why do crypto? Decentralization. It's not followed by the government, can't be tracked. Transaction speed is instant, you can instantly get your money. Inflation protection. It protects you from inflation. If you put your money in Bitcoin, instead of having it in GBP, while there's inflation, they're printing money, GBP is going to lose its value, your money's in Bitcoin. It's fine, protects you. It's not affected by inflation at all. Unless we're talking about DXY, the dollar. Dollar goes up, the Bitcoin goes down. Dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up. Accessibility is so easy accessible. You can do it from your phone, from your laptop, from your computer. So simple, from your tablet, anything. Privacy. Super private, like I said, cannot be tracked. Currency exchanges. There is so many in Turkey being built now recently, in Dubai. We can, for probably a small fee, exchange your Bitcoin into GBP, exchange your GBP into Bitcoin. So simple. Highest returning asset, high risk, high reward, all day, round the clock, 24/7. Why not do crypto? Crypto is very difficult to learn. If you haven't got the time to do it, don't waste your time, because you need to invest a lot of time. Extremely volatile investment. 1 hour you could be plus millions, the next you could be losing millions. It's as simple as that. New crypto traders are very vulnerable to security risks. Scammers are everywhere. They're going to want your money, they see you made a successful trade, and they'll leech onto you straight away. So you've got to be very careful with who you're talking to, who you're contacting. Markets can be manipulated by news in America especially. James Powell is one of the speakers, and the better the news, the better crypto does. The worse the news, the worse crypto does, so on and so forth. Very vulnerable to hacks, no refunds, simple stuff. How you can learn crypto. So we'll look at the negatives and positives of socials / YouTube, and who you could research, who I research, and who has taught me a lot along my journey. Telegram, WhatsApp groups, amazing communities on there. I promise you, you will meet some of the nicest people on there. Everyone wants you to win. There is not one person that doesn't want you to win and doesn't want you to learn. WhatsApp groups, again, just like Telegram groups. Twitter coaches, there is so many free mentors, paid mentors, whatever you prefer, on Twitter, on socials, are ready to help you. Free coaching, videos and photos are everywhere on socials. Negatives. New people are very vulnerable to scammers. Like I said, you got to be very careful who you trust with your stuff. Never share your passwords, never share your keys. You should know that, how to stay safe on the internet. Some people are coaching for the money or sponsors. So what I mean by that is, some people will get offered money and try sell you something, sell you a dream that is not worth what they're selling. You see these YouTubers with Lambos, you see these YouTubers saying they become millionaires who just got lucky. They just got lucky with one coin, and realistically they know nothing about what they're talking about. Trading is very do your own research. Do your research on everything. Make sure you know 100% what you're doing, 100% the person, because realistically you are your best advisor. No one is going to advise you better than you are. Only you know your current situation, only you know your edge, only you know how to do best around you. Few people, obviously I'd follow myself, vbucks, Crypto, amazing trader. He's got such a good success rate, so confident in him. Ash Crypto, he does a wide range of different markets. I don't think he specifically tells you to trade this, teach you how to do things, but he does post his wins and when he enters and what he enters with. He does spot trading, doesn't do so much margin trading, but you should give him a follow. And the rest are amazing too. But realistically, I don't do what they do, I just keep it simple and I just learn off what I can. Day trading involves actively buying and selling securities within the same day, trying to capitalize on short-term changes in price. Those involved in day trading often borrow or leverage capital each day in order to purchase additional assets, but it also substantially increases your risk. What coins do I trade? Bitcoin, ETH, not particularly altcoins or meme coins, as they don't have much history, just like Bitcoin. So it is harder to predict and trade them on a swing trade basis. Day trading, sit there in front of your whatever you have, your platform, and you just trade. It's as simple as that. Put some money in. You can also do leverage, where you borrow money from the exchange, and it will help you gain a higher capital reward, but it also hires your risk, so you're able to lose more money than you are from the start. How to start? Starting crypto is very simple and risk-free if done the right way. Paper trading, demo trading. What is paper trading, you may ask? Paper trading is as simple as trading / investing with fake money for free. Free. Can you imagine? You get 10,000 for free, obviously not real money, fake money, and you get to practice trading with it. What is better than that? You literally get to trade for free, no risk, no reward. I do recommend, once you are positive for consecutive months, trade religiously every day. You eventually start to trade with your own money, because then you are taught risk and reward, emotion management, and in general you start becoming rewarded for your positive trades. What do you need to trade? You literally need the bare minimum. Like I said earlier, any device to download TradingView. TradingView is all you need. It has everything. It has all the indicators, all the strategies, everything you could ever ask for. It has paper trading on there. You need to be 18 years old. Only downside, I trade through my parents' account. They have one, and I just trade through there. As I'm 17, as of now. You need no capital for when you are learning, but like I said, once you have finished learning and are confident, start using the capital so you're able to develop other skills. Most of the learning is free. There is so much free tutoring on social media, so much of it. Use it to your advantage. Not everyone out there is to help you, but not everyone out there is to hurt you. So find your edge, find who you trust, and get on with it. Start, begin. Don't waste your time watching these kind of YouTube videos, and just get on with it. The sooner you start, the better. What I use, trading platform, I use Bybit. What I trade on derivatives portal. I use cryptos. What indicators / strategy. I use an EMA, MACD, RSI. EMA I use 50, 100, 200. I see a very good pattern on Bitcoin right now. It's very trendy around the 50 MA level on the hourly. Keeps bouncing off it, keeps getting rejected. It acts as a very strong support. Technical analysis, patterns. Look, technical analysis is, I believe it works, but sometimes on smaller time frames it doesn't. But it is very, very accurate most of the time. News, like I said, news can alter crypto very easily, and whales also. So if they sell a lot, it'll dump, and if they buy a lot, it'll pump. How I keep an eye on all of this? Telegram and WhatsApp groups. It's amazing. It's the only thing you'll need to develop an edge. Remember, the most important thing is Jesus is the only way. Everything is possible through Christ.